Not long ago, it was assumed that mirrorless interchangeable lens cameras, or MILC, were simpler, less capable than SLR ones, but things have changed a lot in recent times. MILCs are not just lighter and smaller, making them really easy to carry around, but with fewer parts, they are also more durable and, most importantly, now offer functionality and a photography experience that can go head-to-head with the top-of-the-line SLRs too. We are covering a photography bundle today that is built around one of the most popular latest generation MILCs, the Sony Alpha-7S II 4K camera. Let's see what makes it such a hit with many users, so much so that it has even been installed on the International Space Station to capture the first commercial 4K footage in space.
Here we go!
The Alpha-7S II is a versatile camera that offers an impressive combination of extra sensitivity, dynamic range, accurate focusing, and unshakable stability. With internal 4K recording and superior shooting experience, it has a 12.2 megapixel full-frame XMOR CMOS sensor and a BIONZ X image processor, which covers a wide range, minimal noise, and sensitivity from ISO 100 to 102,400. The latter is further expandable to ISO 500 to 409,600. The camera's light-gathering ability is further enhanced by a new generation RGB color filter array and a gapless on-chip design, making it ideal for low-light shooting. Its internal recording functionality, an improvement over some earlier similar cameras by Sony, lets you record UHD 4K videos at 30 frames per second, as well as 1080p at up to 120 frames per second, and 4x and 5x slow motion, with frames set to 30p or 24p. There are several other features that make capturing stable lifelike images and videos very easy with the Alpha-7S II, like the intelligent autofocus and picture profile tone adjustment. But probably the most notable is the 5-axis steady shot inside image stabilization, which can compensate for the different types of shakes your handheld camera typically encounters. Built-in Wi-Fi capability and NFC support allows you to share your content easily online or save it to the cloud. A magnesium alloy covering on the top, front and rear, and the MILC's inherent advantages also make it a great companion, no matter how tough the conditions are. And as if the Alpha-7S II wasn't a camera worth investing in by itself, this bundle from Beach Camera piles on a treasure trove of accessories. This includes a 64GB high-speed memory card, a 12-inch rubberized tripod, a shoulder strap, a universal automatic flash, a Sony soft carrying case, several protective and cleaning units, and a lot more. With the best-in-class Alpha-7S II camera packed into a bundle that saves you a lot of money on useful accessories, this product from a Sony-authorized dealer ticks all the boxes for most photography hobbyists. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other camera reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.